Help support the companies that support our community. there we go. It's maple and walnut. It's 6.5 inches across and 2.5 inches thick. So it's beautiful, some beautiful wood. The maple I got from Worldwide Burls quite a while ago, probably a year ago. It's just a beautiful piece of maple. And the walnut we did a demo for the Salem Woodturning Club a week or so ago, and I got that from my buddy Mark when I was down there. So I wanted to merge the two of them together. Just I like that contrast between the walnut and the maple. So I was poking around on Instagram a week or so ago, and Scott Grove, he was teaching a class at Mark Adams, and he did a post. He did something similar to this, but I am sure they weren't solid pieces of wood. He's a veneering genius, and I'm sure he did it with veneer, and I don't know how he does it. It's witchcraft, but it was just beautiful. So it's very similar to this, but the outside of it was probably veneer, and it looked a lot like this though. So I just thought I wanted to try it, and I don't know anything about veneer, so I wanted to figure out if I could do it this way. I like that contrast between the two woods there. But very fun project, and just some beautiful wood. There's a lot of figure in that. So as I was turning it, I just went through and made the walnut one first, and then as I was hollowing out the maple one, if you hold it up there while the lathe's spinning, it'll burn little lines in it wherever it's touching. So I made some coffee mugs years ago, and that's how I did that. I just turned the piece of wood close, and I would hold it in it was the coffee mugs where they're like a stainless cylinder, and you fit the wood in it. And so you just keep doing that, and it'll show you exactly where you need to turn away to get the material out of there, so it'll fit right in there. So it's the same thing with this. I held it up there. Wherever it burned, I would just take the little bits off. And I know in the video I showed only doing it one time, but I probably did it, I'm going to say 6 or 7 times until I got it to fit right down in there. And then just a little bit of pressure from the tailstock, let it sit up overnight, and there we go. But it's a fun project, and you can kind of incorporate stuff like this, like the top of a box or any little pieces too. So it's fun. It was a fun one. All right, hope you enjoyed the video. Oh, I got my virtual craft festival t-shirt. I will put a link down below in the description. Jamie put together a fundraiser for Braxton's family, for Melissa and the kids. So all the proceeds from the sales of these shirts are going to her and the kids. So I will have a link down below for that as well. All right, take care, and we'll see you next time.